click on the plugins. Check if you have Elementor activated. Open the test post or page where you want to add anchor link. For example, I will test using post in this video. So you can now see the post is opened. Now open it with Elementor Builder. Now we have the post that we can set up for anchor link. This is the section that I will make as anchor link. And this is the section that I will make as anchor point. Now click the section that you want create as anchor point and you will see the advanced option menu on left side. In the CSS ID field, enter the desired anchor ID you want. Remember the anchor ID that you have assigned. Now step 2 is very simple. You just have to click the section you want as anchor link and add the previous anchor point ID with a hashtag symbol. That's it. You are good to go. Now when you click the anchor link, it should move the target anchor point. Let me show one more example that will clear your doubts 100%. Now I will select this section as my next anchor point and the remaining steps are same as you did in previous example. If you want to create an anchor link that leads to a different page's discussion area, follow the same process as in step 1 and step 2. If you like my video, please subscribe for more related videos. Thank you for watching.